Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with my new releases for this week. I'm sorry this is going up a little bit late, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, you may know that I was in New York this past weekend, early week with Jessica, hanging out and doing some stuff. And I was just going to film this when I got home, so that is what I'm doing now. So normally this goes up Wednesday morning, but it'll be going up Wednesday early evening. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. I didn't do a wiggle this week, mostly because I got to take pictures of it, but also it was kind of just like a nice little break. We'll be back with wiggles next week. Let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. I don't really know where to start. Let's leave all the Cyber Monday mystery stuff till last, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. So let's go ahead and get into the 3 kits that we are releasing this week. 2 are St. Patrick's Day kits and 1 is a birthday / celebration kit. I'm trying to figure out when I want to use it actually, so if you guys have any ideas, let me know, but I 100% need to use this kit because it is so dang cute. So let's go ahead and start with this one actually. So this one is sorry about my nails too. It was either film this or paint my nails, and I figured just film this. You'll forgive me, right? So this is called Lucky One. I realize now that I called the one kit that I'm releasing Lucky One and the other one Lucky. One's a photo kit, one's not. I think most people shop by the pictures anyways. So let's go ahead and get into this one. This is my initial St. Patrick's Day collection. This is what I was going to release, and I wasn't actually going to release a non-photo kit option, but I did end up having a little bit of extra room with one of my artists, so she was able to make me a really cute one. So this is Lucky One. This is the photo kit, and I just love this kit so much. I love the colorway of it. I love the different elements in here. So that is the full boxes page. I did a ton of little 4-leaf clovers in the deco in various sizes. Love these colors, very classic St. Patrick's Day. You have your extra full box, the little check marks. I'm really hoping to get spring multicolor out, I think, next weekend. And I think I'm going to have some scribblers out next week. I'm kind of toying with reformatting those. I know this is my 7th reformat, but it kind of simplifies things a little bit for me. It makes it easier for me to release them. I was getting a little bit of anxiety, honestly, about releasing them just because I was doing them 5 different colors, redoing them all, 3 girls. It was a whole thing. So more news on that TBH? No, that's To Be Honest. Coming soon. TBA. But yeah, I'm hoping to do spring multicolor next week, and I am going to do a little itty bitty sheet of those check marks because I know a lot of you mini kit users have been requesting them. There is a really pretty champagne gold throughout in this faux glitter, which is really, really pretty, and I love the bottom washi with all of those clovers in there, and then you do have the extra full box there as well. And this is the old format of the freebie. So this has the SPC new releases and then the little fan girl munchkin. I am going to be switching that out. There are going to be a lot of kits that are pre-designed that have this freebie because they're already pre-cut and everything. But you guys will see the new one in just a couple of minutes. All of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini, and yeah, so there's the full boxes. It's the mini kit. Super cute. We do unlimited stock for the first 3 hours of new releases, and then it just goes back down to whatever stock remains. So if you are worried about the stock, I would definitely order within the first 3 hours. That kit also does come with the option for glitter headers, and then also the option for the 15mm. So there's the option if you want to add on the glitter, an option if you want to add on the 15mm, which this looks really cool with all of those clovers, the green and the orange. Then the other St. Patrick's Day type collection that we have is Lucky. This is exclusive art to SPC, so you will not see this art anywhere else. Last year we did a kind of more pastel, kind of marble vibes kit, so I wanted to kind of do something a little bit different than last year. So this is the new freebie. How cute is this? Mark drew me custom munchkins for here. So you have a little shopping one, a little Mickey ears one, which you could kind of just use for whatever, a little Starbucks one, and then a fangirl. I just thought it was so dang cute, so I had to put that on the new freebie. You have your full boxes here, which I just love these so much. So you have the little kitty there. I love these scenes and the colors in the scenes. You have a ton of deco here. The weekend banner is rainbow. You have your extra full box here, which is super cute. And I just love this one. I love the little rainbow in there. I love the yellow and the green. And then here is the bottom washi, just a very simple clover design. So that is Lucky. And again, I'm sorry I named them Lucky and Lucky One, but I don't really think I don't care too much. Then there is also that in the mini kit. So you have the same full boxes, the same deco, the same functional. This is the mini kit page, and then you have your washi page. I do put up pictures of these, so whenever you're ordering, you can swipe through those and see those. This is the glitter sampler add-on if you want to add that on, and then also the 15mm washi add-on, which will look super cute with this washi. So you're going to have a lot more of like a green look, where the other one has a lot of that gold and yellow in it. Then last but not least, for the kits, we do have this one, which is Make-A-Wish, which is probably one of my favorite color schemes that Kittenish Jess has done. I love the colors in this kit. They are so pretty. They remind me of the old like April May colors. So this is, look at this freebie. I'm dying. It's so cute. I love the colors. So I thought you could kind of like use this for a birthday, but you could also kind of just use it for a celebration. It does say XOXO happy birthday, babe, but you could totally like take that box out and just not use it as a double box and use it as like a celebration. Honestly, I just might use this as like a whatever kit, just because I think it's like super cute, and like I really like it a lot because this is just a makeup box and this is just like a plain box. And then you could do like the fashion girls and just have like a fashion girl box, and it could be like a celebration, it could just be like fashion girl. Like these colors, I die over these colors. They are like literal perfection with the champagne gold throughout. This is a kit that even if you don't have a like time to use it, I would definitely pick it up just to hoard for the perfect occasion, because whenever it comes, it's going to be a beautiful week. A beautiful, beautiful week, guys. It's definitely one of those kits, though, that you can keep, like, on hand, because you most likely will have something that will come up that will warrant a kit like this. Maybe even, like, if you got a job promotion. I don't know. I just think it's a cute, like, little celebratory kit. That is the mini kit version. Then there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. You also have the option if you want to add on the 15mm washi, and then also you have the option if you want to add on the girls. So you have the 3 different girls here, different skin tones, hair colors, and then you have like the feet, which I thought it's kind of cool. I've been trying to do kind of like a little bit of different, like using different girls so you can get like a different look rather than using like all 4 girls in all the boxes. So you could totally like use all these because they have different vibes than the rest of them. So, and this is honestly, I've told Jess, this is one of my favorite girls she's ever done, is this one, and I love the blonde combo. So that is the last kit, which is Make-A-Wish. It's actually not the last kit. We have a lot. I tried to keep a lot of the extras to a minimum this week because we do have a lot going on. I do have some foil releases this week. We have some stuff in Jessica's handwriting, J. Crew plans. We have these school samplers. So you have quiz, homework, study time, take notes, exam, homework, reading. Then we have the flag overlays. These fit these small flags in the Erin Condren. Those on the deco page. They fit over top perfectly. But I have used them over other flags and just trimmed them down. But they're just little like confetti dots. And then I also have these, which are just little stars, which are super, super cute. So I love those. Then last but not least, we do have the Cyber Monday mystery stuff. These 3 items have, I think, a full reveal video. So I'm going to go ahead and link that down below. Just in case you have already saw it. I'm not going to actually be releasing the bows because we're not doing bows anymore. But just in case you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. But if you have saw it, I'm not gonna bore you with the details. But we will have the ultimate kit. It will all be like a la carte, so it'll be the ultimate kit, and then the glitter sampler, and then the fashion girls, and the 15mm, all separate. For the foil items, there are going to be a limited amount of bundles available at a discounted price, and then I'll have all the items available a la carte if you want to pick up any of those with the holo. Then we will have bundles of the washi, which looks like this, and if you want to see it swatched, looks like this. It's not a silver, it is, we're calling it a pixie dust. It's a very like light, but you could see it better on here than the black and the white ones though, so see if you can see it on there. Then we do have the TN kit. I am running out of battery, but maybe I will make it. So I'm so psyched about this TN kit. I have like a new product in here, and I got to kind of do a setup. I don't have the planner that I'm going to use it in, so I'm not going to show you guys that yet, but this is such a beautiful setup. I love the holo. I'm not usually like, I'm a gold girl, but like holo does have like a little special place in my heart. So let's go through this really quickly. So you do have your specialty papers here. These are on the like really nice, this is like, a lot of people call this glossy, but technically it's called 10-point matte. This is the one side. I love this pattern a lot. And then you have the bows. It does have like a pattern in the bows. They're not like a solid color. Then you have the purpley blue swatches, and then another different type of bow. So this is more of like a pink and purple. And then you have this one here, which is the yellow. And then on the back you have the stars with, again, the different colors on there. I think that the different colors gives them a little bit of texture. You have some vellums. So this is like frosty with the bows on there. Then you have the vellum with the hollow bows. We do have packs of both acetate and pockets with the same bow design in acetate. And the pockets, if you want to pick those up, those have all 4 foils in them. Then we also have some stars in hollow. These are so pretty. And then we have this one, which is super fun, which is aliens, stars, and little moons. So those are the papers. Then we do have some other items in here. I've been kind of like, feel like simplifying this more and more. I think I did show most of this on my Instagram already. So we do have these new little tabs. These are so dang cute. So the idea of this is they are all the hollow, and then you could just go ahead and fold them and have, actually I'm going to use the one that I already used from, where are you? So let's go in here. The only thing is I accidentally put 2 social medias and I ordered a bunch of them, but that's fine, I think. Nothing I can do now. So that is what the tab will look like. You could put it on, that is what the tab will look like, and you could put it on whatever you like. I just think it looks super chic, and all the feedback that I got, you guys really, really like it. It looks super chic, just like being a foiled item. Then you don't have to worry about gluing it and putting the sticker on it. They're all perfectly on there, so you have a ton of different choices of those. A lot of people are asking for those, like just hollow, and maybe I'll do that in the future, like just the solid foil. Then you do get 2 of these seals, which are different than the ones that you can pick up here. So these are the old kind of bow design, and then it has the patterns in the background, and then this one is the solid with the simplified bow. You do get a bow bookmark. You do get 2 journaling cards. They are double-sided. And then you get the foiled journaling card with the hollow. Love this. And then you do get a pack of foiled die cuts. I did go a little bit, and this is really pretty too. I did go a little bit sketchier on the foil, which I think looked really cool with this art. So you kind of like speckled hollow foil throughout with also kind of like line art foil, which I really like. Like, look at here. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but you got those foil lines. But it is super cute. Here you go. You have your caboodle. You have a ton of different items here, and I love the colors of these. The Game Boy is kind of what everyone was freaking out about on Instagram. So cute. So that's everything that comes in the TN kit. So again, you have the die cuts, you have the foil journaling card, 2 double-sided journaling cards, 2 seals, a bow tabs. These are different. Like I said, there is one repeat. There's social media, I think, twice. But other than that, it's not like this is like you're getting 2 of the same ones. So there are those. There is the foiled acetate, the vellums, one of them is foiled, and then the 6 papers are in that TN kit. Also, like I said, these do, I don't think I said, but these do pair well with all of these items, of course, because they are the same artwork, and these will all be available as well if you want to pick up any of these. This is beautiful. Also, if you guys have this from Simply Gilded, these look amazing with these washies. These are the 5mm stars in hollow, but like perfect little match there. So that is everything that I wanted to show you guys for this week. These will all go on sale Friday at noon Eastern, like always. I hope you guys like this week's new release. As soon as I get the planner in for this, I will do a setup. You guys, it's one of my favorite setups. I have it like in a different planner, but I want to have like the full aesthetic whenever I show you guys. But it's one of my favorite setups for sure, and I just love everything about it and all the hollow. And these tabs, honestly, I think really amp it up and give it a little something something. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh, and Plan With Me should be back next week. Yes, should be back next week, hopefully. Cross your fingers.